Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to design business cards in Affinity Designer in 2026. So if you want to create professional business cards for your company or personal brand, yeah, this beginner guide will help you step by step. First, open Affinity Designer official website or launch the app on your PC. Once it opens, you'll see the main design workspace. Next, click New Document and set your business card size. So a common size is 3.5 by 2 inches. Now create the background using shapes, colors, or gradients. I mean, simple and clean designs usually look the most professional. So yeah, use the text tool to add your name, business title, phone number, email, and website. Keep the text readable and well organized. Next, place your company logo and optional social media icons. This helps make the business card look more branded and professional. Finally, click File and then Export to save your business card. So export as PDF for printing or PNG for digital sharing. And that's how to design business cards in Affinity Designer in 2026. Once you learn the basic layout and typography tools, creating professional cards becomes much easier. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more graphic design tutorials.